put it.
All right, so what are we doing today?
We're making creme brulee today.
Nice.
So first we're gonna start with 2 cups of heavy cream.
And I must add that you've done that a few times because that's probably your favorite dessert.
Yeah, we've done this many times and now we've mastered it.
You have it down to a science.
Yeah. You cut.
So what you do is you heat up the cream with the vanilla so that it mixes easier together, basically.
Yeah.
Just heat it up, that's all.
We heat it up so that the vanilla can get everywhere and like soak in.
And we use some very nice vanilla from Madagascar.
Vanilla bean paste.
Vanilla bean paste that's from Whole Foods. It's really, really good. Very flavorful.
The extract doesn't taste as good as that.
Yeah.
The extract doesn't really taste like anything.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. So now what are you doing?
So now we're adding a 1 1/4 teaspoon of that vanilla bean paste.
You're putting extra because the recipe doesn't call for that much, right?
Yeah. It calls for one teaspoon.
And you put 1.5?
1 1/4.
1 1/4. Nice. I do like the way that you have it down because
Actually, yeah. I'm gonna do
that
1
vanilla is
1/2.
really good.
I'll do 1 1/2 today.
Oh my. No.
Now we need 1 pinch of salt.
Okay. Go.
Everybody like my guitar spoon? Alright, well anyway, we're gonna put it on low because we just want it to get hot and we don't want it to simmer or boil. We just want it so that the vanilla can get everywhere.
Just to integrate the vanilla real good. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Sweet.
Now we're gonna need a half a cup of sugar as well as 5 egg yolks.
So you already have the egg yolks in there. Now you're gonna mix that.
Yeah, and then we have to whisk until light. Now we're just gonna beat it until it's light, just like this. Don't want to over mix it because then it'll go away the grains.
Sweet.
Okay, so now we're gonna pour about like 1/4 of this little cream mixture in here. And then we're gonna mix this up. Don't want to spill it. And then once we're done with that, you want to put it into here. Use the
Very nice. Sweet.
Okay, so we've got a couple stations here. So we put our creme brulee mixture into a little pouring thing, and then we're boiling some water so that when we put it in here, we can do a bain-marie.
Very nice. Okay. Well, your water is almost boiling, so you can go ahead and pour the mixture in the ramekins now.
All right.
Okay. For safety measure, I am putting the boiling water in the bain-marie right here. That's perfect. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna pour it into 4 8-ounce ramekins, making sure that we do even.
Measure. I am also putting the. I'll need this in here. This in the oven. The oven is at 325 degrees.
In the middle rack.
In the middle rack. Voila.
Okay, now we're gonna put that in there for 30 to 50 minutes. The recipe calls for 30 to 45, but we usually find that it doesn't cook it all the way through.
That's right.
We want it until like jiggly. Turn it off.
Go.
Okay, so now we're gonna check on them, and then we'll see that when they're just like this, low jiggly but not solid, then they're good.
They're ready. Okay. Let me take it out.
Where are we going? All right, so we're gonna take it out.
I'm gonna put
Looking
the timer.
good.
Cornbread is probably gonna be in another few minutes. So that looks good. Let's see. Yeah. They're a little bit jiggly, so still soft in the middle. We don't want them too firm. That's perfect. Once it cools off, it'll be like the perfect texture.
Yep.
Good work.
So now it's time to burn the crust and the sugar. So we have a little bit of regular sugar. I'm gonna get enough to just cover the top. Try to do just a little bit like that. And then put a little more. And just make sure it covers the whole thing.
There you go.
Like that. Okay, so now it's time to turn on the gas. And oh, dang it. Okay, so now come in a little closer. See? So back and forth, direct. Outs to in. Kind of weak, dang.
Oh, what happened to the thing?
I don't know.
That's weird.
Yeah, it usually does that. Alright, you still on?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna reheat that part.
Got some caramelizing going on here.
Oh my god.
Alright, that is almost finished.
Okay.
Very nice.
Okay, so now, obviously, we have to crack the top and just get a little. So good.